Okay, brother, pay attention. I'm only going to show you this once. I guess if you were clever, you could rewind and watch again. But the box spring here, you're going to want to put that together with the front and the back first, and it uses oh, I got to show you the barrel nuts.
You still recording?
It uses these little barrel nuts and cap screw bolts here. You just stick these barrel nuts in the hole like that, and then you run the bolt in this way, of course with the top on first. So you want the back to the wall, the side that doesn't fold down and have drawers. There, that's the back. This is the front of the drawer with the wheel on it. Same over here. That's the front of the drawer. That's the back of the drawer. Here's the drawer. So there's the runners on the side of the drawer. And once you get the headboard and the footboard, so to speak, attached to the box spring, then you got the little slot in here that this peg goes into. This one's just a little pin, and this one's got a fat head on it. So the one with the fat head on it, you're going to slide in the wide part and then slide it up, and then you can just press the little pin part into its slot here. That's the basics. Good luck.